OpenAI just released the Sora AI, and let's find out it's actually worth $200. So, it finally happened. Not only did they release it to the world, but they also gave access to it. But the only problem I see here is their pricing plan. I think it's too expensive when compared to other text-to-AI video generators. But don't worry, we have $20 option as well. However, I still think this video generator will generate more high-quality videos than other tools out there. The only way to find out is, let's go and try it out. The crazy thing is, all of these videos are generated with text. It's actually mind-blowing that they released ChatGPT on November 30th, 2022. It only has been 2 years. But this AI technology has evolved so fast that a lot of people on this planet don't even know these things exist. So, when I scrolled through this, I found an amazing video that was generated by Sora. This is by far my favorite video. The quality of this video is insane. Honestly, if I saw this clip on some other platform, I would think that this is a real video. As a video editor and a full-time YouTuber, I think this tool will benefit all of us, especially if you are into faceless content creation. This is going to be a game changer. With this tool, we can do videos for all sort of niches without any issues. So, let's try to create several videos with this tool. So, if you check this video, this was generated using this simple prompt, which is close-up of a hand with 12 fingers picking a 12-string guitar, 1 finger for each string. And it has done a great job with this video. There is any glitches in fingers or strings. Now, if you take a look at this video, it has a detailed and complicated prompt. So basically, the quality of the video completely depends on the prompt you use. First, you need to click this new folder option. Then you will be able to generate a new folder for your projects. I'm just going to type videos as the name of this folder. Okay, this looks very similar to the ChatGPT dashboard. Let's see what we have here. This plus icon means you can upload your images and convert them into videos. Let's try that later. We can select different presets from here. Also, we can select the aspect ratio of the video from here. We have all the main 3 aspect ratios for long and short videos. And here we can select the resolution of the video. I think it will take more time than usual to make high-resolution videos. I'm currently on $20 plan, therefore I think I can only make up to 10-second videos. And this looks like the number variations. So, let's first try a simple prompt. I'm just going to type a close-up video of a bullet firing from a gun, and let's make it 5 seconds and generate the video. Now, if you check here, you will be able to see the generating process of your video. Honestly, this process is really fast. It took like 2 to 3 minutes to generate videos with other AI tools. But this only took like 25 seconds. That's a good thing. And let's see the video. Okay, this is not what I wanted, but I think it's the prompt. I'm going to improve the prompt, and let's try again. I'm going to try this preset, which is film noir. It will give this video a 90s vibe. This time, I'm going to use this detailed prompt. I will show you how to generate a detailed prompt like this in a minute. Let's try this. Okay, this looks good, but there is no bullet. I'm going to try another thing. This time, let's generate a crocodile driving a car. Let's select the default preset and type the prompt here and generate the video. Okay, this looks cool. I think Sora AI doesn't like bullets. Now, if you want to generate detailed prompts for this, all you need to do is go to ChatGPT and type like this. Act as a prompt engineer for text to videos. Analyze this following prompt and make it better to get a good result. Now, you need to add your simple prompt to this. In this case, I'm going to type, a crocodile is surfing on the sea. And as you can see here now, we have a detailed prompt based on our small prompt. Let's copy this to Sora and generate the video. This time I'm going to try 2 variations. Let's see. Okay, this first video looks cool actually, but I see some glitches. If we add something like human looking crocodile to the prompt, the result would be better. And this second video is absolutely cool. Even though this is quite expensive, I think it's better than other text-to-video AI tools. Now, I'm going to try the same prompt, but with different presets, and let's see how powerful Sora AI is. First, I'm going to make this video without any preset. This prompt is about a beard and a panda fighting in a wrestling match. So, first, let's see the normal version. This is more like a sumo match. I think it's pretty good. We can see the crowd cheering as well. Now, I'm going to try this Balan World preset with this same prompt. Okay, this is very uncomfortable to watch. It's like 2 Balan toys fighting each other. The movements are very clean though. The next preset is stop motion. I really don't know what that means. Let's check it out as well. Okay, now I understand this preset is similar to 3D object style. These are like actual teddy bears fighting. The next preset is archival. I'm going to make a video with that as well. I think this is by far the best clip I generated with prompts, but it gives this 2000 movie vibe. And we already know what this film noir preset will look like. it would probably look like a black and white movie from the 90s. Yep, I was right. Let's try the last preset, and then we can move on to the image to video creation. This looks like cardboard toys. Honestly, these preset variations are kind of cool. We can use those for different categories of videos in the future. Now I'm going to try this image to video feature. I'm going to try 3 images, this image of a rocket, and this celestial being. And finally, this image of dolphin. Let's try and convert these 3 into videos using Sora AI. So click this plus button and you will get this message. What this says is that you need to make sure that you have the copyrights to these images, and you can't make any violent or explicit content with these, and most importantly, you can't upload pictures of people. So you have to follow their guidelines. A lot of people are using these AI videos to make deepfakes and harm others. That's why they have added these rules. And this Sora AI is still not available for UK and European countries due to some legal issues. I hope it will be available in the future. Let's upload the first image and see the results. I'm going to add a prompt like this to this image. Okay, this is not what I expected. I thought this rocket would take off, but only these clouds were moving. Now, I don't think we will be able to convert this second image to a video because it has a human face. Yep, I was right. Even if the image is AI generated, we can't make videos if it has a person in it. Therefore, let's try the third one. I'm not going to add any prompt to this. Let's just convert it to a video. Now, this looks really amazing. Now, let me show you another cool feature. This storyboard feature is actually a very useful and powerful feature. What this can do is, we can write prompts to separate scenes in the same video. So basically, we can add separate scenes with completely new prompts along the timeline for a 5-second duration. As an example, I will add something like, a kid gives an apple to a dog. Then, I will go to this timeline's 2-second marker and click this plus icon. Then, I will add a new prompt like this, dog grabs the apple and run. Then again, I will come to this 3-second marker and add a prompt like, dog sits down and eats the apple. I honestly have no ideas how this final results will come out. So, let's hope it's something cool to watch. This is not what I expected, but I think if we add some detailed prompt to this, we would have get a better result. This is another storyboard I created. In this case, I wanted to make a video like this. A red car driving on a road, and suddenly a deer comes to a road. Then car hits the brake and stop, but this is the result I got. I honestly think this AI needs to be improved. Even though this tool can make high quality videos, they don't come out always as we want, so I think they should improve those issues. And the $200 price is insane. My honest opinion is, this tool is not worth spending $200. $20 plan is kinda okay. So, what do you think, guys? Is it actually worth it? Would you spend $200 for this AI tool? Let me know in the comments section.